Welcome to Miami, a city known for its vibrant culture, beautiful beaches, and lively nightlife. Today, I will take you through some of the most exciting places in the city, from the hustle and bustle of the ship port to the vibrant nightlife of South Beach, a tour of some of Miami's most popular spots. Let us start with the ship port. Miami City is a home to one of the largest and the busiest cruise ship ports in the world. The port is home to many cruise ships and cargo ships that bring goods from all over the world, hence making it a popular departure point for cruises to the Caribbean and the other destinations. You can see the hustle and bustle of the port from a distance. If you are lucky, you might even see some of the largest and the most luxurious cruise ships in the world ready to set sail on their next adventure. The Miami skyline is something to behold. During the day, you can see the beautiful architecture and the vibrant colors of the buildings. And at night, the skyline is lit up with the beautiful lights and that reflect on the water, building and skyscrapers that are lit up with colorful lights. The skyline is dominated by the tall towers of downtown Miami, which include the iconic Freedom Tower, the Miami Tower, and the 1000 Museum Tower. The buildings are illuminated by the variety of lights, including spotlights, deadlights, and the neon lights, which create a dazzling display of colors and patterns. Now let us head to Miami's most popular destination, South Beach. Here you will find miles of sandy beaches with crystal clear water. You can spend your morning sunbathing or taking a refreshing swim in the ocean. Very early morning to late evening, South Beach is alive with activities. As the sun rises, you can take a leisurely stroll along the beach, enjoying the peaceful and serene atmosphere. You will see joggers, bikers, and walkers enjoying the fresh morning air. The beach is a great place to stretch, meditate, or even practice some yoga and prayers. Visualizing a day on South Beach is an experience that will leave you energized and entertained from sunrise to sunset and beyond. Let us start our day early in the morning, just as the sun rises over the horizon. After a refreshing walk along the beach, you can head over to the Ocean Drive, one of the most popular streets in the South Beach area. This street is lined with the Art Deco buildings, trendy restaurants and bars, and is a great place to start your day. As you walk along Ocean Drive, you will find plenty of restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy a delicious breakfast or brunch. Whether you are in a mood for a classic American breakfast or something more exotic, you will find it here. If you are in a mood for some shopping, you can head over to Lincoln Road, a pedestrian mall that is filled with shops, cafes, and restaurants. This is a great place to find unique souvenirs, clothing, and accessories. South Beach is known for its vibrant and trendy atmosphere, so you can expect the shopping scene to be just as lively. The area is home to a range of high-end boutiques, designer stores, and unique local shops. You can expect to find everything from designer clothing and accessories to one-of-a-kind vintage finds. The shopping district is located in the heart of South Beach, with many stores and boutiques situated along the bustling streets of Collins Avenue and Lincoln Road. You can expect to see plenty of people out and about, browsing the shops and enjoying the beautiful weather. As the day progresses, you can explore the rest of South Beach, taking in the vibrant and colorful atmosphere. You will find plenty of bars and restaurants to choose from, each with its own unique style and flavor. Whether you are in a mood for a casual beach bar or a trendy rooftop lounge, you will find it over here. Driving around the main street of South Beach is also an option, but be aware that parking can be difficult to find, especially during peak tourist seasons. Walking is the best option to fully experience the vibrant and colorful atmosphere of the area. Overall, South Beach is a unique and exciting destination that offers something for everyone, from early morning beach walk to late night parties. Whether you are looking for relaxation or adventure, you will find it all in South Beach. As the sun begins to set, you can head back to the beach for a romantic sunset stroll, enjoying the stunning view of the sun setting over the water. As the night falls, the South Beach area transforms into lively and energetic nightlife scene with plenty of bars, clubs, and restaurants to choose from. The South Beach side of Miami is known for its vibrant and lively nightlife scene with numerous bars, dance clubs, and other nighttime activities to enjoy. As the sun sets and the city lights come to life, the street comes alive with the energy and excitement of the night. As the night wears on, the scene becomes even more animated with the party goers ramping up their energy and enthusiasm. Whether you are a visitor to the city or a local looking for a good time, the night scene of bars, dance clubs, and other activities in the South Beach side of Miami is an unforgettable experience that you won't soon forget. Thank you very much for joining us on this tour to the Miami's top attraction, from the cruise ship yard to the vibrant South Beach area. We hope you enjoyed the video and got a taste of what Miami has to offer. If you like the video, that it has inspired you to visit this incredible city, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up. This will help us to create more content and bring you to the best of travel and the adventure from around the world. Thank you once again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.